You probably notice I'm in a different location. Welcome to my studio. I wanted my setup to have proper artistic vibes while being able to still add in RGB and other techie stuff into the shots while I'm recording video. One of the things at the top of my priority list was getting a good studio light that I can use as a main light for each one of these sets. Thanks to GVM, I was able to get a studio light on day one, which helped me kind of set up all of this and map it all out. It was important to me when setting this up that I had full, absolute control over the light within my studio. So I needed to ensure I at least had one studio light that could be used for each one of my sets. GVM sent me their SD300S model, which is used to replicate sunlight. This specific model doesn't have a variety of color temperature settings, although it does have a very good 5600 Kelvin temperature. I do wish it came with multiple color settings. Although the lantern softbox GVM sent me is fantastic, I opted to purchase an octagon softbox with egg crates for more light control. With the egg crates, I can manage where that light is going better. So instead of having the entire room lit up with the lantern softbox, I have just myself lit up with the egg crate octagon softbox here. Thank you, GVM, for this light. If you're interested in purchasing this light for yourself, check out the listing on B&H. The link is in the description below. After getting the light set up, I went into setting up my second shot. The shot is intended to be used as a standing talking head shot and will also be used for product box openings and product review videos for a more comfortable setting. I chose the industrial style, like I mentioned earlier in this video, to piece each set together. The shelving for this specific set is really neat and fits perfectly into the video. All of the decor on the shelves is intended to add to that vibe of the video, including one of my favorite pieces, which is this nameplate that says, "I don't know, Google it." The next most important piece of my studio is the FlexiSpot bamboo stand-up desk. A big reason I have my new studio is for B-roll shots. And with that, I needed a desk that could be used standing or sitting for any of my sets. The FlexiSpot desk was extremely easy to set up and took all of 30 minutes to unbox and assemble. The most important feature of this desk is the ability to stand or sit. By pressing these buttons, I can adjust the height of the desk, making it perfect for any sets that I create. I already used this desk in my most recent video showcasing the mod mic from Antlion Audio. As you can tell, I was able to get amazing B-roll with it. Check out this desk for yourself using the Amazon link in the description below. To the left of my second shot is my third set, which is my favorite part of this studio, and that is the acoustic wall. I created an entire 8x8 area that can be separated into two sections. One of the main reasons I wanted to create this wall instead of just putting acoustic paneling on the wall was not only so that I can move the walls around, but I needed to cover the door that was right here in the room that was kind of an eyesore for the overall studio feel. And last but not least, we have the backdrop portion of the studio. This will give me the option to yet again create a different vibe for my shots using a variety of paper and muslin backdrops. I can use paper if I want to do a very simple semi-colored background for my video shots, or get artistic with what you see here, like the black brick wall. These will and can be used for amazing talking head shots as well as product shots for my videos. I'm so excited to be on this journey of YouTube with my community. I started creating, I think, about 5 years ago. I don't really know. It gets kind of foggy. It was such a stressful time in my life when I started creating YouTube videos. And at that time, I had never used a camera in my life. I've come a long way from having absolutely no knowledge in this industry as a newcomer. And as a self-taught artist, I am thrilled to have the knowledge that I have now and the skill sets that I have now in order to help you guys grow as creators, which in all honesty, growing as a creator is a long and difficult journey, especially if you are like me, starting out with no knowledge in this industry. But man, is it rewarding. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy my most recent video. Check it out right here. Peace.